Hi, welcome to Suncoast Technical College, of Precision and CNC Machining Technologies program. My name is Ed Doherty, and I'm the 6th year instructor here at STC. I have over 30 years of experience in the manufacturing industry, and I've never been without work since I became a machinist.
The instructor is top-notch. I also have a master's degree in education, and I can tell you his presentation and his use of relearning, etc., are top-notch.
This is a one-year program. We like to say a career in a year in a modern manufacturing world. The Precision and CNC Machining Technologies program is a 1,200-hour program for adults or recent graduates from high school. All graduates are offered multiple jobs in the industry, and we will put them through job shadowing and internships before they graduate. In the current manufacturing world, we predict there's going to need 2 million jobs by 2025, so there's great demand in this area and great opportunity. This is a career that you could just start learning and you'll never stop learning, and you'll be able to do this forever and continue to learn and make important things that we all need in this world.